In this video, I will show you how to remove this fence from any image. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Hey guys, Dav here from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. At first, select your image, make a copy of it by Ctrl J, add new blank layer, take a brush, flow opacity hardness 100%, pick any color you like and start brushing on a fence like this. Remember, keep brush size just a little bit more than fence so you can cover the fence properly. Follow the step like this. After you cover all your fence, hold Ctrl key and click on the above layer. This will select all the brush stroke you made. Then hide above layer and activate layer 1. Go to top, edit, contain aware and wait for a few minutes. Now to remove this harsh left, take spot healing tool and type content aware and start brush on those harsh area to remove it like this. Almost done. Now you can use unsharp mask to sharpen this image. And that's it. This is before and after. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on a next video soon.